Hello there! Today we're going to be doing a very short video. Now it was going to be a vlog, but I decided it just didn't work in the end. So instead I'm just going to do a very quick introduction to what I've actually done. So you probably don't know, but before I was into drones, I was into slot car racing. More specifically, I was into HO scale slot car racing. So these are 1/64 scale slot cars. Now I used to race these at a national level, I used to race them at a club level, and I used to go to various events around the UK to race them. Now, every year there is a race at Derby, or Dhorc as we call them. They do a 24-hour Le Mans race, and it is a scale replica of the Le Mans track. It's 233 feet 4 inches long, and it's a replica of 1971's track, so it doesn't have the chicanes for those of you who are motorsport aficionados. And I went there this year with my team Scorch, and we participated in that event as we do every year. But what I did this year is I decided to take my wonderful tiny whoop round the track and have a little bit of fun filming. So here is some footage of me having fun at that track and flying around to give you an idea of scale. A slot car can go around there in about 11 to 12 seconds. This doesn't quite achieve that. So hopefully you enjoy this video. If you're here from a slot car perspective, maybe you can be interested in drones. If you're here from a drone perspective, maybe you're interested in slot cars. Anyway, I'll let you enjoy the footage, and I'll catch you later.